The Contacts app is Apple's built-in app for managing all your contacts for use in the Mail app and many other third-party apps that you download. Adding a contact in the Contacts app will mean you won't have to type or remember their email address in an email again. So let's get started. Contacts are sorted by default on last name, then first name. This can be changed in the Mail, Contacts and Calendars section of Settings. From here you can also choose whether to display contacts with their first name, then last name, or vice versa. You can also choose which contact in your contacts list is you. Some apps will use this information, so it's a good idea to create a contact for yourself. Tap on the Contacts app on your home screen, which will display a list of all of your contacts organized alphabetically on the left, with the last contact viewed visible on the right. If you have more than a screen full of contacts, you can tap and slide through them all, or tap on one of the letters in the very left to jump to the contacts starting with that letter. You can also search just your contacts by tapping in the search box at the top of the list of your contacts and typing part of the person's name. As you type, the list below will update with contacts that match your search criteria. Tapping on a contact selects and displays all of the contact information you have entered for the selected contact on the right-hand side of the screen. You can choose to enter as many pieces of information as you like, so don't feel you need to fill in every field for each contact. To create a contact, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Then start adding in any information you know for the contact by tapping on the field, then typing. When you've finished entering one field, just tap on the next field to start entering that field's information. Tap and swipe to scroll all the list of fields, as some will get hidden by the keyboard. You can add a photo for the contact by tapping on the Add Photo button, from where you can either choose to take a photo with your iPad's camera or choose one of the photos you have loaded onto your iPad. When you select a photo, you are given the opportunity to move and scale the picture. Spread with two fingers moving outwards to zoom in on the picture. Pinch and move your fingers together to zoom out. Tap and drag to move the photo around. When you're happy with how it looks, tap on the Use button. If a field you're interested in for this contact, their job title for example, isn't visible, then tap on the green plus button next to the Add Field at the bottom of the screen. From here, tap on the field you wish to add to this contact. When you've entered all the information you know for this contact, tap on the Done button at the top of the screen. You can edit an existing contact by tapping the contact you wish to edit, then tapping on the Edit button. To remove a field for this contact, tap on the red minus sign next to the field you wish to remove. To edit the content of the field, tap on the field, then enter text with the keyboard. When you're finished editing, tap on the Done button at the top. If you want to delete a contact, select the contact by tapping on it, tap on the Edit button, then tap and scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the big red Delete Contact button. Tap on the button, then confirm you wish to delete the contact by tapping on the Delete button, or cancel if you've changed your mind. To send a selected contact an email, select the email address you wish to send the email to. The Contacts app will quit and the Mail app will load with that email address loaded into the To field. If the person you have selected is an iPad 2 user or iPhone 4 user, you can try tapping on the FaceTime button to contact them using Apple's video chat FaceTime. You'll need to be connected using Wi-Fi for FaceTime to work. For a video chat option that works over 3G, consider downloading the free Skype app. If you've entered a web address for the contact, tapping on it will launch Safari with a web page loaded. Similarly, if you have a street address entered for this contact, tapping the address will launch the Maps app centered on that location. You can email this contact to a friend by tapping on the Share Contact, then choosing Email, which will launch mail with the contact attached to the message as a vCard file.